Hi, I welcome you to the magical and limitless world of wireless earwear. In my hand, I'm holding this new game-changing technology, the new iBall True Wireless Earwear TW10. Now, True Wireless Earwear, they're quite different from the normal Bluetooth ones, and this even comes with a charging case. Now, before purchasing any wireless headset, one should keep 4 major aspects in mind. That is comfort and portability, battery life, range, and audio quality. And iBall True Wireless Headset TW10 has it all. Let me take you step by step on how you can use it and get the most out of it. Open the charging case and you will find 2 headsets. One is the left headset and one is the right headset. The left one is the master one and the right one is the slave headset. Remove the yellow color peel off stickers from the back side of both the headsets. Place both of them back inside the charging case. You will see a red color charging light on both the headsets. And once it is fully charged, remove both the headsets from the charging case. Please do not remove only one. Now pair iBall Earwear TW10 with your device. The most important thing to keep in mind is to keep the charging case and the earbuds fully charged before using it for the first time. You can do this by connecting the case with the USB cable to the charging port. A red light will appear indicating that the unit is charging. It takes approximately 2 hours for the headset to charge fully, and once it is fully charged, you're all set to use it. Make sure you pick up both the left master and the right slave earbuds together for the first time for it to sync and be paired together. If you pick up the right slave first and do not pick up the left master, then they will get separated and will work as individual headsets. Once both the headsets are paired with each other, you will see a blue light blinking on the left master headset and a pink light blinking on the right slave headset. There are many more key features to it, like activating the voice call assistant service. It also gets connected automatically to the last paired device the moment you take it out of the charging case. But what I personally love the most is the various multimedia controls it gives me, because I can easily switch to my favorite track or to the next or the previous track with complete ease. It also comes with various sizes of ear gels and can comfortably fit in any ear. Hope this video helps you understand the iBall Earwear TW10 headset. At iBall, we're always happy to serve.
iBall.